lights on. Hello YouTube. Right, so what we've got is a little lamp made from a Jack Daniel's bottle. It's in orange. I love it, the face orange. But yeah, but basically it's an LED light system, battery pack on the back, switch on the back, easy to access. I've had this in my room for quite a while now. I'm really pleased with it. And what I did is I drilled a hole in the back and then just hot glued the unit with the lights inside. So if you have a look at the top, you see LED light just there. And there we go. One Jack Daniel's bottle with lights. So I'll stick that in the corner. Right, so I want to do another one. I have this, an Absinthe bottle. I've had this for quite a few years. And I want to do the same with that, so I thought I'd show you how I did that. On the bottom, we have a look, it's conical. So we're going to drill through the bottom there, and there's also where we can put LED cable in through there. So somehow we've got to safely drill out the bottom. Right, so what I've done is I've left a gap that's about the width of the bottle, just under the width of the bottle. Right, we pop that over there, and then we pop that there. That's good. I'm using my welding gloves as protection. I do have eye protection somewhere. Right, that's cool. Right, so we've got a drill. Got it all safely done, got my gloves, put the power in. This cable does need to be warmed up. You just warm it up, somewhere warm, and therefore it relaxes the rubber. Right, and we have, originally, I did this with a Dremel. Well, the Dremel has these. And these are, I think, diamond cut tips. I'm just going to do this, see if it works. I'm taking the biggest one. And we're going to just drill out the bottom there. This is going to be fun. Cool. So it's going backwards. Why are you going backwards? Oh, that's a hammer. That's not the hammer. That's going forwards. Cool. Right. So safety gear, because you don't want this stuff shattering all over you. And I'm unsure of this bottle. The Jack Daniel's bottle was a lot thicker and a lot sturdier. This is a little bit thinner. So basically cover it up so we don't get any broken glass. I'm nervous. Okay. It's going through. It's going through a couple of sharp edges. There we go. So it's getting there. Let's just clean that out. Clean that out. It's getting there. It's very thick. There we go. Done. Done it. 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 There we go. And what I've got to do now is sand this hole inside and out so there's no edges on there to get caught on, which I use my Dremel for. So what I've got is I've got one of these. It's just a little bit of sandpaper on my Dremel. I'm going to do it on a low speed, and all I'm going to do is just basically file back the edges. That's smooth. That is smooth. That's actually going to do it, I think. Yeah, it's all smooth. I'll just put another pass on the inside. Right then, while we're waiting for the glue gun to get warmed up, got the bottle and I've put it on this ruler so it doesn't go anywhere. What we're going to do is, I was thinking, do I use these lights? So pretty. But absinthe is traditionally green. Traditionally known as the green fairy. So I want to make this look, and I've got this thing here which glows ever so slightly green. So we're going to use this one instead. Yep. Now this unhooks from here by the looks of it. Yes, so I can unhook that, put that to one side. And what we're going to do is we're going to glue that side up so we make sure that we can get the batteries out. I'm going to glue that to there and run the wire under there. That's the plan anyway. So we need 2 big splodges of glue on the back here. So big splodge there. Don't just love it when you're and a big splodge. Pop that to one side, and they can go on there. And we let that dry. Let it dry. Right, so now I should be able to pick up the bottle. There we go. That's stuck on there, and then that means we can get to the batteries. We can also switch it on. It's off. Now I need to feed this wire through here, but before that I need to feed this through the bottle. And we go through the bottom. There's the reason for this. Let's feed it through the bottle. There we go. Right, hot glue is on. Stick that in there, and what I want to do is put a little splodge of glue just there, little splodge just there, and that means that this doesn't come apart. Right, okay, so now we pull this through here, and it's through. There we are, we're in, and we put a splodge of glue there. That goes through there like that. Wet finger. Cools down the glue, but also makes it smoother. And then we'll put a little bit of splodge on there. There we go. And that now is the base there. So we make sure the light works, and it's working. And what we do is we take the bottom, and you see the hole. I don't want it rubbing on the edge of the hole, so what I do is I basically seal the edge of the hole. So we're sealing the edge of the hole like so, and we're basically just piling in the glue so it don't move. There we go, and we let that cool. Right, so we've got the wire through, glued at the bottom. That's nice and flat now, So glued it on the bottom. So now we've got to pop it into the bottle, which what we're doing is we're doing a twisting action to make it loop inside. Doesn't have to be perfect. And towards the end. That's it, that's what I wanted. Right, so now I've got the end cork, a little hole in the end that I can push that into. We give that a bit of a squeeze with a hot glue. There we go. And pop it on the end. Like so. Let's check that it still works. Still works. Pop that off there. There we go. So that can then go in there like so. Line it up. There we go. And then that's the light. So pop it. Oh, press the button. There we go. So that's the effect I'm going for. As you can see, it's a nice little lamp. Now I've already done this side like a weld on the side. I'm going to do the other side. Missing the top. There we go, job done. And we just let that set. Job done. We have a lamp. Right, there we go. It's all done. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, YouTube.